Do you need to learn Microsoft Excel? Welcome to ExcelLearningZone.com. We have everything you need to become an expert in Excel in no time at all. We have lessons for beginners and expert users alike, and I'm sure we have something to meet your needs. My name is Richard Rost, and I'm the president of ExcelLearningZone.com. I've been teaching Excel since the early 90s. I'm also the author of The Complete Idiot's Guide to Excel 2010 by Alpha Books. If you're looking for someone to teach you Excel, I'm your man. I've put together a special package for folks who need to get started with Excel. This package includes my first 5 Excel beginner tutorials, which is over 7 hours of video lessons, plus full-color printable handbooks for each lesson. This package normally retails for over $63, but you can order it today for just $19.99. What's covered in these lessons? In Level 1, you'll learn how to work with Excel, use the Excel interface, enter and edit data, use formulas, and lots more. In Level 2, you'll learn about cut, copy, and paste, how to use autofill, format cells, sort data, find and replace, conditional formatting, and work with multiple spreadsheets. In Level 3, you'll learn how to work with functions, including sum, average, count, max, and min. You'll learn how to work with styles and themes, edit page layout, and insert illustrations, shapes, and smart art. Level 4 is one of my favorites. You'll learn how to create charts and graphs, including column charts, pie charts, line charts, and lots more. You'll learn how to copy your chart objects into Microsoft Word documents, how to create a summary sheet or dashboard, and how to work with data tables. In Level 5, you'll learn how to work with hyperlinks, word art, text boxes, headers and footers, inserting comments, the Microsoft Office online templates, and lots more. Too much to list it all here. And those are just my beginner lessons. When you're finished with those, I've got dozens more expert and advanced lessons as well. You'll learn about all the different functions that are available, logic, date time, text, financial, and so on. You'll learn how to perform lookups with the VLOOKUP function. We'll see how to make our spreadsheets smart with the IF function. You'll learn how to calculate a mortgage payment with the financial functions. You'll learn how to build pivot tables and pivot charts, learn advanced filtering and subtotaling. The list goes on and on. Now, if you're not sure whether you're going to like my videos or not, I invite you to take a test drive absolutely free. Just click on the link below that says free test drive, and you can watch Level 1 absolutely free. That's almost 90 minutes of video lessons, plus you can download the handbook at no charge whatsoever. Why am I offering this discounted package? What's the catch? There's no catch. I'm just hoping that you'll enjoy my tutorials so much that you'll come back and buy a few more of my advanced lessons. You'll find they're very reasonably priced, and if you purchase my beginner package, I'll send you a discount code that you can use on the advanced lessons for even more savings. But don't worry, there's no further obligation if you watch the free lessons or purchase the beginner package. I'm not going to bill you for anything else or automatically ship you additional lessons, but I am hoping you'll enjoy them and you'll come back to me for more. So once again, this special beginner package includes my first 5 beginner tutorials over 7 hours of video for just $19.99. This package normally retails for over $60, so be sure you order it today because I might not leave this special online very long. You can watch these lessons online in your web browser, download them to your PC for offline viewing, or we can ship them to you on CD. You just pay a few more dollars for shipping. If you have any questions, you'll find links below this video window to contact me directly. You can also view a detailed outline of exactly what's covered in each lesson and take a free test drive of Level 1. And of course, if you're curious about us, feel free to click on the links at the top of the window to explore our site. Thank you for your interest and enjoy learning with ExcelLearningZone.com.